Hello, it's Auret here. Welcome to another Etsy video on the Esthetino Artist channel, where we share all kinds of tips related to money, marketing, and mindset for creative entrepreneurs. In today's video, I want to share with you a tip that has to do with editing your listing descriptions. And it's something that's going to help you or may help you increase your sales or the amount per sale per customer. So you may or may not know that Etsy offers the ability to hyperlink URLs in the description of your listings. So what does this mean? It means that when you put a link in the description of your listing, your buyers will be able to actually click on it and go directly to whatever website that may be. And this is an excellent opportunity to put links in your description to products that they may like, that of similar nature to the listing that they're actually on, or just complementary products in general to the one that they're viewing in that moment. So let me show you how this is done. I'm in the back end of my Etsy store right now, and I went in to edit one of my product listings. So this listing is called Choo Choo Train t-shirt. It's of a choo-choo train design on a t-shirt here. So you want to go into the back end of your shop, click edit on one of the listings, and then come down to the description here. So in the description, you're going to be able to add URLs. Now, what is the best way to put that hyperlink in there? Well, you don't just want to paste it in there. You want to say something about it that's enticing to the buyer who's actually on this page. So maybe you can say something like, see similar products, and then you're going to put your link. Or you could say, get this design on a mug. If you have a listing that has that similar or same design on another item, then you can put the link to that right here. Or maybe you have the same product but in a different offering. Maybe it's bundled a different way, or it comes in a different color, different variation. This is a great opportunity to put those links and get more visibility for those related products within this listing. And then instead of this line, I'm going to click Control V on my PC. I could also do right click and paste, and then you should see the link pop in there. And feel free to post more than one link in here too. You know, if you have multiple related products that you want to link to, feel free. You can have multiple links. I'm just going to show you an example what it looks like on the front end. Go something like this. Maybe I'll just put for train lovers up here so that they know that it's still all related to trains. Now let's take a look. I'm going to publish this. See similar products. So I can click on that. It's hyperlinked and it takes me directly to the related product listing. So leverage this opportunity that you have to link to related products or products that you believe that customer will like since they already landed on that particular listing. It's really good to interlink between listings as well, because it just adds more SEO juice to the whole thing and can boost your visibility as well if there's more activity on your listings that way from people clicking on within your links. We use this technique as well in our listings. So to give you an example, we have a design that is kind of like there's a his version and a hers version. So that design is on a t-shirt. And what I did was I linked to the his version from the hers version. And so what it said in the description was get one for him as well. So you can kind of start to play around with this, get more creative. I had people buy both t-shirts, and then we started, because we saw that people really liked that design, we also put those designs on mugs so that there was like a his and hers mugs version as well. And we put all four links, like all, there's 3 additional links in each listing. And some customers bought the entire thing. So they bought the his t-shirt, the his mug, as well as the hers t-shirt and the hers mug. So guys, I hope this tip has been helpful for you. If so, please let me know by leaving me a thumbs up on this video, subscribing to the channel, or leaving me a comment as well. If you're new to Etsy, you're just opening up your shop, or you want to learn more about print-on-demand Etsy stores, please check out the links in the description below. We have a bunch of resources for you. And you can also binge on our Selling on Etsy playlist, where there's a bunch of more tutorials for you and tips for growing your Etsy shop. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.